Okay. Surprise! Are you kidding? No, we're here.
Did I lie really good?
Oh my gosh! How are you here?
We flew in on Wednesday. We've been here since Wednesday. Okay, so this is Mike Boland, and this is his wife Anna.
So nice
And
to meet you.
when we did the fundraiser, Mike was the one that did the account and everything.
Oh,
So they came up from Houston.
oh, exciting.
Anyway, this is from the Bronco team. Isn't that awesome?
No, I can't even like stop.
I know.
I can't start already. I feel
Anyway, everybody signed it. So we've been planning this for a while.